Hello everyone. Today we will discuss directive influence of groups. While electrophilic substitution reaction, if one group is already present in benzene ring, next electrophile try to join the benzene ring. In that case, the group which is already present in that benzene ring directs whether the incoming electrophile will go to ortho position, para position or meta position. This is what we are going to learn today. Let's consider we are having here aniline. In case of aniline, nitrogen is having a pair of electron which involves in resonance with benzene ring and it increases electron density here at ortho position. And we are going to get here this structure. Again, due to delocalization of pi electrons, we are having some other structures, the canonical forms. Again, here in this case, because of the presence of this amino group and lone pair electron at nitrogen, which involves in resonance, it increases electron density at ortho position and para position. Therefore, we can say that amino group is ortho-para directing as it activates benzene ring at ortho and para position by increasing electron density at ortho and para position. Therefore, NH2 group is activating and is ortho and para directing. Now we are having some other example. Let's consider we are going to have example of chlorobenzene. Now in case of chlorobenzene, here chloro group is chlorine is more electronegative as compared to carbon. Therefore, chloro group is deactivating. Even though being deactivating, but it has 3 lone pair electrons. Therefore, it involves in resonance with benzene ring and contributes with a pair of electron in resonance with benzene ring, and therefore we can easily see that this chloro group is again ortho-para directing. Even though chlorine, due to electronegative nature, it is deactivating, it is ortho-para directing because of the resonating structures. In resonating structures, we can easily observe that it increases electron density slightly at ortho and para position due to participation of chlorine in resonance with a pair of electrons. Next. Now we are taking another example in toluene. In toluene, here we are having this methyl group. Methyl group is having plus I effect. It generates plus I effect and pushes electron forward. At the same time, one hydrogen atom is lost in form of H and there is formation of ion, carbanion. Once this Cl2 minus is formed, this bond pair electron involves in resonance with benzene ring and increases electron density at ortho and para position. Therefore, we can say that here in toluene also, due to hyperconjugation effect, electron density increases at ortho and para position. Therefore, because of the hyperconjugation, this methyl group is ortho-para diactic, and it is activating group as it is more electropositive as compared to the carbon of benzene ring. This is sp3 hybridized carbon. This one is sp2 hybridized carbon. Now we are taking example of some deactivating group. Let's consider benzaldehyde. In benzaldehyde, here we are having C double bond O. Oxygen is more electronegative than this carbon, therefore it attracts this bond pair electron more towards itself. As a result, this pi electron of benzene ring is being attracted towards the carbonyl carbon, and it forms here a positive charge is developed at carbon of benzene ring. It means electron deficiency has been created due to presence of this carbonyl carbon. Now, this electron deficient carbon will withdraw bond pair electron from next carbon-carbon bond, and that results in creation of electron deficiency at next carbon. In the same way, again, due to resonance, this pi electron will shift along these two carbon atoms, and the electron deficiency will be generated at next carbon. And again, this electron deficient carbon will withdraw bond pair electron from nearest carbon-carbon bond, and here it again reaches there. Here we can easily observe that because of the presence of CHO group, which is deactivating group, it withdraws bond pair electron from benzene ring and creates electron deficiency at ortho position and para position. Therefore, relative electron density will be greater at meta position. Therefore, incoming electrophile in presence of such deactivating groups will approach at meta position. Such groups are called meta-directing groups. Directing. And these groups are deactivating. Activating. Deactivating group means those which are capable of withdrawing bond pair electron and decreasing electron deficiency in benzene ring. Such groups are called deactivating. We are taking another example of nitrobenzene. In case of nitrobenzene, again we can observe that this nitro group is again deactivating. It withdraws bond pair electron from benzene ring, and hence it again creates electron deficiency at ortho and para position. Again, this electron deficiency will be created at next carbon, again due to resonance we will get these structures. Here, because of the presence of nitro group, which is deactivating group, it decreases electron density at ortho position as well as para position and ortho position. Therefore, relative electron density will be greater at meta position. In presence of such deactivating groups, incoming electrophile will approach at ortho and para position. Such groups are called deactivating groups and are meta-directing in nature. Some other example of meta-directing groups are COH group or COCl or CONH2 or COR or SO3H. All these groups are deactivating groups. Because of the multiple bond, they are capable of withdrawing electron pair from benzene ring, and therefore they are deactivating and are meta-directing in nature.